At the very outset, when we were aware of this opportunity of doing a CSR activity before our offsite, we thought of many ideas. All the team members pitched in so many things. But the best that we could find out was to spend time with these children and to know actually as to what they need to pursue their goals.
Further, we also thought that we wanted to educate them. We wanted to tell these children what the importance of education is, and how though they are from a different background, they're still capable of reaching different heights. And we actually spoke to the children, and one of them mentioned that he wanted to become a police officer.
इंस्पेक्टर बनना चाहते हो, बहुत ही अच्छा, इंस्पेक्टर बनना है और आज से ही तुम पढ़ाई करना स्टार्ट कर दो कि नहीं पापा मुझे पढ़ाई करना है। तुम्हारे घर में कोई भी दिक्कत होगी, समस्या होगी, लेकिन अगर तुम्हारा एम होगा कि मुझे इंस्पेक्टर बनना है तो तुम्हें कोई नहीं रोक सकता। कि जो ये नहीं है सोचना कि मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है तो मैं इंस्पेक्टर कैसे बनूँ। डेफिनेटली वी विल अचीव दैट। हम उस चीज़ को प्राप्त कर सकते हैं अगर हमने मन में निश्चय कर लिया।
It's really fascinating to see that these children actually have such aspirations, and they don't see these obstacles as such a big challenge. We gave them a small speech. We gave a peace of mind on how it is important to be educated and how important it is to believe in yourself, that you can actually overcome all the obstacles and actually come out with flying colors.
सबसे बड़ा संपत्ति क्या है आज की डेट में हमारे पास? शिक्षा है। शिक्षा और डिसिप्लिन को अगर हम जान गए तो हम इतना ऊपर उठ के आ सकते हैं जिसकी आप कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकते। और आप सब में वो योग्यता है। आप सब ने भी देखा होगा लोगों को कार में घूमते हुए, लोगों को बड़े अच्छे कपड़े पहनते हुए, अच्छे खाना खाते हुए। आपने देखा होगा, आपका भी मन करता होगा कि हमारे पास भी इतना पैसा होना चाहिए, हमारे वो सब हासिल किया जा सकता है। किसी के पास भी ऐसा नहीं है कि बाय बर्थ जो जन्मता है और अपने आप ही ये सब चीज़ें आ जाती हैं। सबको ये चीज़ हासिल करने के लिए प्रयास करना पड़ता है और उसका सिर्फ एक ही रास्ता होता है। सिर्फ एक ही रास्ता है इन सब चीज़ों को हासिल करने का, वो है आपका शिक्षा।
When we spoke to them about what they want to become, we were so inspired as despite of so many challenges and hurdles that they're facing, their determination is not affected.
We came yesterday to do a preliminary visit of this place to see what the children need here. So we also spoke to the founders of this organization. So we were told that the children don't have the textbooks and the study materials. So there's only one set which is available with the teachers. So we took an entire list of the number of students in each class. So यहाँ पे you have from nursery till 3rd standard. So we took a list of students and how many children are there and how many sections and what books do they need, and we went out and we actually bought those many materials and we provided it to them.
Stand. Sit. Sit. Hands up. Hands down. Sit. Stand. Hands up. Hands down. Hands down. दो बच्चे हैं, आ जाएगा।
एक्चुअली जब हमने स्टार्ट किया था, बेसिकली हमने स्टार्ट पुल के नीचे ही पढ़ाना शुरू किया था। हमने पहले हम लोग वहीं पढ़ाते थे। अभी लास्ट ईयर नवंबर में हम लोग ये जगह लिया हमने। वैसे तो मेनली बच्चों को अच्छा लगता है, तो हम लोग को अच्छा लगता है कि वो लोग खुश होते हैं। हमको अच्छा लगता है कि उन्होंने ऐसा एरिया कभी देखा नहीं होता। वो लोग हमेशा घर में रहे हैं, ऐसे एरिया में रहे हैं, तो उनके लिए लोग मिलने आते हैं। हमको अच्छा लगता है कि बाहर से लोग आए, ऑफिस में काम करते हैं, सब मिलने आते हैं, तो इनको देख कर हमको अच्छा लगता है।
And we also wanted to sort of bring in that cleanliness in them, because they're probably not brought up with that sort of culture. So we wanted to bring them, and we gave them, this is what you need to do. We performed this short cleanliness drive, and they were very receptive. They were okay with trying something new, with new people coming and teaching them, and they were so open to learning new things, and they actually successfully completed whatever we asked them to do. So overall it was a very beautiful experience. We also played cricket with them. Turns out they're actually pretty good at it as well. So they're very sporty. So I guess they have a lot of scope and energy in them.
और स्पेशली जो हमने उनके साथ क्रिकेट खेला और जो देख रहे थे जिस तरीके की हैप्पीनेस थी उनके फेस पे, स्पेशली छोटे बच्चे जो उन्होंने कभी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि हम आएंगे उनके साथ इस तरीके से खेलेंगे।
So as a memento, we actually sort of painted their classroom and we put all these fun pictures on it so that, you know, they actually find the place a very good learning experience. It's a very cute place to learn, very motivating and stuff. So yeah. And it's really good to see all these children are so disciplined. You know, you tell them you do this, you have to do this, and they're so energetic and they're so disciplined, and they always have a smile on their face. It was really good to actually spend such quality time with them.
Also, this whole incident and this whole event had such a powerful impact on us that we realized more than ever that there is so much need to do for these children, as because they are the ones who will be leading the society, the nation tomorrow as a whole.
हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आप लोग आए, आप लोग बच्चों के साथ टाइम स्पेंड किया, उनको बुक्स वगैरह आपने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करी है, रिफ्रेशमेंट उनको प्रोवाइड किया। बच्चे उसको देख के बहुत खुश हैं और ये है कि उनको एजुकेशन में उनको हेल्प होगी, उनको काफ़ी मोटिवेशन मिलता है कि हमें लोग मिलने आते हैं।
This is not the end to our CSR initiative that we have taken.
And we really look forward to actually supporting such kind of organizations even in the future.
It is a thought-provoking process that we have done, and we'll be surely taking this forward and analyze as to what more needs to be done and where are the areas that we need to create an impact and help these children out to pursue their goals and to pursue their education in whatever capacity they can.